Hey everybody, it's Lou again. I do demonstrations in local schools, and I'll take a plate, bell jar, and a vacuum pump and do demonstrations showing the vacuum's impact on different items: balloons, marshmallows, water. And unfortunately, that's a fairly expensive proposition for a lot of schools. So I was trying to figure out ways to do a much cheaper version, and here you have my take on it. I've got a couple of plastic syringes. These are not the kind of syringes that are used for medicine, so they don't have a needle. And what we're going to do is create our own little vacuum pump and show the impact of the vacuum on marshmallows. Now, for those of you that weren't aware, marshmallows are mostly air with a little bit of sugar wrapped around it. So when you pull a vacuum on them, they'll actually change size. So let's go ahead and put the stopper back in. And then I use a vacuum seal for automotive use. I'll have links to all of this stuff in the description. But you just need to seal off that end really well. Sometimes you can use your finger, but it's hard to do that and do the demonstration at the same time. So if you keep a close eye there on the marshmallows, when I pull a vacuum on them, they get really big. And the more times I do it, they'll actually start to lose the air. It'll come out of the sugar, and they'll actually get really small. It's like a gummy marshmallow. They get so dehydrated, or so not really dehydrated, but they lose so much air. So you can see the before and after. So I thought that was fun. I also thought it might be fun for kids to have a version of it that they could use. So I found this little medicine dispensing syringe, the kind you would use for a baby. Pull this one out. Stick a single marshmallow in there. And the nice thing about this is it actually comes with its own little end seal. So once again, the kids can take this and create their own little marshmallow vacuum chamber. I bought a whole bunch of these. I think I bought 100 of them to give away to schools, and they're really cheap. So great way to get the idea across, make it a hands-on experiment, and then when they're done, assuming the parents are cool with it, you have a dehydrated, deoxygenated air. It's like a gummy marshmallow that the kids can eat. So just thought I'd share that with everybody. Handy setup, great way to demonstrate it without spending a lot of money.